Hello friends, so this video is mainly related to Python remote debugging. So in this video we will learn how to debug the remote Python code. So let's suppose you have one sample application like I do have. Let's say this is my sample application. You can see here, and this has one uvicorn server attached with this. So let me start this particular application on this server with this particular port, that is nothing but 8092. So to start this application on this port, we'll simply uh, execute like this python server.py. So you can see here ubicorn is running on this local host at this particular port. Okay, so let me show you how to access the same. So this is, I have, you can see like message hello bird. So I'll show you this application as well. So see this particular application is calling one another module which has one API which gives us this message, this JSON message. Okay, so how we can debug this particular code. So as you can see here, our application is running on this particular port. So to debug this particular application, I have opened another editor, that is nothing but this VSCode. We have to install uh, this ptvst module. So you can simply go here, uh, let's say, let me stop this server. Okay, pip install. In my case, it is already installed. So you can install it like this: pip install vtvst. You can see here like requirement is already satisfied. So as I mentioned, like in my case, I have already installed this. So if you want to install, you can simply run this particular command and make it available for this particular uh, your application virtual environment. Okay, so let me run again this server. Okay, so now it is running. Let us access this. Okay, so we can access this. Okay, so now to remote debug this particular application, go to your VS Code and you can check here. I have created one launch.json configuration file. Uh, here I have mentioned, okay, uh, so this 5001, and it will listen on this particular 5001 port. Okay, so let me execute this debug configuration. So you can see here now our debugger is coming. It means it is attached, it is listening on this particular port 5001. So to debug this, let me hit one more time this particular C. You can see here it is coming. You can see here. So what we have, excuse me, x value is 10. So likewise we can debug our application. Thank you. I hope this video serves the purpose. Thank you very much.